Okay, this is going to be a very, very quick video. Mike made a new attachment for our Supreme gun. For a lot of people told us they do, trucks with big bodies or wide open frames. They need a wide pattern. So, Mike, can I show them that, what it looks like? There you go. That's fine. Not too good photography. We're kind of in a hurry. Mike, can you look over this way and smile, please? Okay, go ahead, shoot it. Awesome. Okay, this is a little bit narrower tip. Go ahead, shoot it, Mike. He made a few of them. This is a little bit narrower pattern than the big wide one you just saw. We kind of like it. It does an awesome job. It's doing so good. We're going to put this into production right away. Hang up, Mike. So we're going to put this into production right away, these tips. It's a conversion kit. It is not just another tip like comes with the gun where the quick connect on and off. And let me just show you the gun and everything else. And it's a little bit of conversion tip. You take the front of the nozzle off. Mike, when you made that, is it the same threading and everything? So it just screws on? Oh, same threading. Yeah. All right, so we're going to cut it short because we didn't plan on doing this, but we were so impressed by it. Before we leave, we have to get a smile from Mike, who never smiles. Can we get a smile, please?
No.
A small smile. A small smile. All right, thank you very much.